I'm gonna make myself a Denver sandwich, just with whole wheat bread. I'm gonna do a sandwich portion on my channel. I'm gonna do a Monte Cristo, a few sandwiches. Baby wants to join in. My Denver is gonna have, it's gonna have green onions, it's gonna have ham and bacon. A good thing about a Denver is you can put anything you want in it. A traditional Denver is green onions and ham. You can have a Denver with cheese, you can have a Denver with bacon, everything I'm about to do today. I'm gonna make a 2-egg Denver sandwich for myself. I'm gonna make Monte Cristo in my sandwich section. I'm gonna do a traditional clubhouse. I'm gonna use different breads, but today we're just gonna get my Denver goes some ham. So I'm just going to slice that in cubes. That's me. Use a proper knife. And there. And take my onion. These are sweet onions. Now when you're cutting onions, try and keep the root on, and then you won't be crying the whole time that you're slicing them. Okay. So as I said, I'm going to put mushrooms and green onions because I love the flavor of green onions and egg. Okay, green onions in. Perfect. Now this is a very dense and full of filling Denver sandwich. I'm gonna just pepper one side for now because I don't want the salt bringing out any water in the eggs. All right, guys. Let's see. You can tell when it's ready to flip because this one's solid. This one's pretty big, so it's gonna be fun. You can look underneath, check, see the color on the bottom of your egg, see if she's ready to flip. Ready? Oh yeah. Nice. Let's see what she's looking like. Perfect. Oh yeah, and she's cooked and ready. So, like I said, I'm probably gonna make 2 sandwiches in the fridge for the wife. She can have one tomorrow. With gluten-free bread, of course. And we'll grab our egg and our sandwich. You can see the cheese is melting just a little bit. I'm gonna get it in here. I'm gonna add some green onion fresh. Yeah. Close it up. Put it. I was gonna put bacon in with this, but kids ate all the bacon. Super good. Oh wow, really good. Like I said, I'm gonna make a sandwich section. We're gonna go over a few sandwiches. We're gonna do a clubhouse, Monte Cristo. We're gonna do some that I've done in fancy restaurants, and we'll just have fun with it. But thank you for joining me on Family Cooking Life. Please like, please subscribe. We need as many as we can get. I'm trying to get to 100 before the middle of this month. It's getting close, got like 3 days. So tell your friends, tell everybody. I could really use your support. Thanks. Have a great day. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna show you my garden real quick. Yeah. Okay guys, we do live beside a road that's pretty busy. So it gets a little noisy, so bear with me. Here's my compost. I dig my compost into here. I got a few places in my yard that I dig my compost in. Today we're gonna put it in here. We go down a little bit deep and mulch her up every couple days. We've got some beautiful peas coming up. They're starting to flower. As you can see the little ones here, they're starting to come up. I got some kohlrabi coming. I had something attacking them, but hopefully they'll still show some fun. We got some beets coming up. Some lettuce that we had to cover because the quail were eating them. Oh my goodness, the quail are crazy here. And our raspberries are starting to come up. They look amazing. We're gonna have so many raspberries. It's good because they're expensive. Scallions. Looks beautiful. We've got our carrots. Got a few other seeds that came in here, don't know how. We got jalapenos coming up. And those are golden beets, striped tiger beets and regular beets. We got our tomatoes in the back, which aren't doing very well. They're kind of slow. I think we might end up buying a few that are grown. And over here, beautiful peas coming up. We got some more peas planted because the kids love peas, so we know we're gonna go through lots. And radishes that we're already been pulling out and eating. These are kohlrabies, more kohlrabies. Over here we got some chives and a few other things that just haven't quite shown up yet. And come over here, we've got cucumbers coming up, just starting. Looks like that one's getting beat up. We got garlic chives in the front. This is zucchini. They're coming up, but they're taking their time, but they're starting to flower. We tried some watermelon. They're not doing so great. So I doubt we're gonna get watermelons this year, but pumpkins, whoa. You can already see the pumpkin flowers getting ready to come. The middle one's not doing the best, but they're just thriving, the pumpkins.